Welcome guys. So I'm going to open up my uh, Microsoft Word for the agenda that I'm going to demonstrate today. So we'll be we'll be seeing in this tutorial video that how to create Maven project. And prior to create Maven project, we have to have installed into our system Java. And second requirement is that we have to have Eclipse IDE. So you guys can use any IDE which is available on the market, but I'll highly recommend to if you follow along with this video, so you have to have Eclipse, as I'm going to use the Eclipse. And then we'll be creating Maven project from the scratch, and then we'll be using all that Maven dependency. So let's jump into the I just jump into the video. So I just open my Eclipse. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click for your for informations, guys. Once you open up this IDE, you might not have this URL or all that project I already have. So I'm going to click the new and then others. So as already selected Maven, so you guys can search here, which is Maven, and then click the Maven and then new, and then we can specify the locations of my project that I'm going to store. So now let's say I'm going to store here. um, I'm going to create a folder which I'm putting A, B, C, and then I'm selecting A, B, C, and then I'm just created mark this two, and then I'm just under the group ID you have to put com.org, and under the artifact column you have to put the project name. So I'm going to put ABC practice, ABC under PRA practice. Then I'm going to hit finish. So you guys can see that ABC practice project already created. And if I expand this, so you guys can see that it has source file. This is the source file. All the test case I'm going to write, I'm going to hold under the source file. And prior to this, then I have to open that pom.xml file. So if you guys open the pom.xml file, this is the heart of the project. So I'm going to space, and then if I launch another URL, so I'm going to go to Maven repository. So if you go to Maven repository and search Selenium, you guys can see that the first one we guys can open, and then we guys can take the latest one. We can take the latest version, or we can take that stable one. So this is the one that you have to copy, and then as I already copied before, just if you click it will be copied, and then you need to paste here. So I'm going to take my previous from here, and paste here. And once I save, so you guys can see that Eclipse automatically download all that Maven dependency under my ABC practice project. So I'm going to now create, so our for Maven. So now in our project we already have Maven. So it means we can run the project locally. So now let's create a package. So new, if I put the package name, that, let's say for the Facebook um, or Google com.org. um, Let me take com.org. Yes, com.org, com.org, and then finish. So you can see that under my source file, under my source folder, which is main/java, there's a package. So under this package, I'm going to open a class. I'm going to create a class. Class name is Google. So always remember that the first letter would be capital, and then we can mark this public.static void main string args. So we don't need to write this piece of code, and then finish. So we can see this, and now we are going to write the code. So before this uh, you have to you have to download you have to download that Chrome driver. So if I search, here is our Chrome driver download. So if you click on the Chrome driver, and then now you have to download that specific version of the Chrome driver that you are already using. So if you can see that three dot dot, so if you click here and then help about Google Chrome, so this is the latest one. This is the 1.31, and one more thing is that 1.31 31, this is the latest one. So this is the one that we have to install. So if I click that version selected, not here, if I click that Chrome the testing ability, and then now if I go scroll down, and then we can see that Windows 64, mine is Windows 64, mine is Windows 64. So you guys, we can select that this, so you can copy this URL, and then if you paste this URL, it automatically download the Chrome driver for you. So as I already have my Chrome driver in my machine, so I'm not going to download that. So now let's go to the Eclipse. So now I have to create another folder. I'm going to put the name that just a folder. Um, New, and then this is the folder. So I'm going to name the drivers, because I'm going to put maybe Google driver, I'm going to put the Firefox driver. So I'm just making sure that plural. So as I told you guys, if I go to my download, and then this is the file, this is the Chrome driver. If I click this, which is I already extract, and then I'll copy this one, and if I copy this one, and then I'm going to paste right under the drivers. So now you guys can think that I already have Chrome driver into my ABCD project. So now I'm good to go to automate it any URL. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to write system.setProperty. So this is the one, number fourth one. This is the one that we have to take, and then we have to provide two parameters, which is web driver dot Chrome driver, and then here we have to specify the driver we download and extract, and we put under our project. So and then we have to then dot or // this is the specify, and then we have to write drivers, exact same name, drivers, same names. So if you guys make mistakes, if you guys don't give s, then you'll get error. So we'll say, and then again // and now I have to write Chrome driver.exe. So Chrome driver.exe. So then nice, now semicolon for the Java perspective. So let's say, so we're good. So let's explain this piece of code, what we're going to do here. So as we know that we are interacting with driver, right? So now we are declaring the object with driver equal new, and then Chrome driver, and then bracket, and now we have to export the web driver so we can so this is the one. Now if you hover over, then we can export these package for the Java, and then this as well as the Chrome driver. So now let's say, and now driver, now we are getting this driver dot get string. It will give us a string value. So now string value, so we have to provide that string, any website URL. So if I click this, and then if I go to, let's say, google.com. So this is the Google. So let me copy this URL, and then we are coming to my Eclipse, and then paste here, and now we are going to launch. So we are ready to go, and let's launch. We can click here, that's how we can launch. And as well as this is the Java, we can click the right click of the mouse and then run as a Java applications. Let's see. So you guys can see that starting my other, I am using two screens. So another screen, it's starting launch. It's already launched the Google. So now we can see the small screen. Then we need to maximize. So how we are going to maximize? There's a method is available in Selenium, which is driver.get driver.manage.window.maximize. This is the line of code that when you write, then it will maximize the window. So it's taking time, and now if I show you this is the one, and now we can see it should be maximized. So that's all. Thank you for today.